Hello guys, I am Mohammad Umar. Today I am going to present a topic of motion which is related to physics. Let's start. Motion. First of all, we know that we daily use in life motion. Motion like pull, push. We know about that. So let's start out state. There is a two state: rest and motion. Which is always in continuously staying in the same position at same position and same time. Next topic is motion. So let's start motion. We all know about the motion. The object can change with time and position. That is called motion. In simple word, we can say that the any object in a moving any direction, any path, so it is called motion. So here is an example: position of A and position B. Here's a one football can change the straight direction, which is forward to the same direction with respect to time, from one center to another center. So, and next we are going to take a change topic, types of motion. Let us we study about types of motion. We have seen rectilinear motion. It is the motion of a body which is moved straight line. That is called rectilinear motion. A person, here is a path 2 point. Here is 2 point A and B. First one is a person move is the forward direction on the same direction, like straight, one straight. So moving and forward, that is a rectilinear motion. Circular motion. The circular motion will be defined as the body will be moved along the circumference of the circle, just like a circle round. Circular, that is known as circular motion. Here is an example: the sun is moving around the earth. That is called circular motion, or that motion. So let us next topic of types of motion. Rotational motion. Motion of a body around the fixed axis passing through the object. Axis, like a one step axis, is a hypothetical line which is fixed and rotating, just like a, for example, just like a ceiling fan which in axle on the roof, and the ceiling fan was rotating with axle. And periodic motion, that is the repeats in equal interval of time, which is repeat equal interval of time. An object will, for example, we moving here object which is moving round and round, equal time of repeat time, every time taking 3 seconds. That is called periodic motion. And also we known as a circular motion, that type of circular motion. So let's come our next topic. And also we can study about the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Here we study more than the topic of related to motion, like as speed, velocity, average speed, average velocity, acceleration, retardation. So first come average speed. Average speed, we know that the total distance upon total time. Next one is average velocity. Average velocity, like a final initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Mathematically we can prove that average velocity is equal to u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity 1 2. It is denoted our mathematically formula. It is denoted, we can denote mathematically formula. And speed, we can study about speed. We all know that speed, distance upon time, speed can travel distance upon time. Oh, next topic is acceleration. Acceleration a v minus u upon t, where a is a acceleration, v is a final velocity. V is a final velocity. Here is a final velocity, here, and minus initial velocity. T is a time. And then we come uniform motion. First equation of motion. Here is a v is equal to u plus at, whereas a u is a initial velocity and a is a acceleration and t is a time. And second one is a second equation of motion. Here is a s is equal to ut plus half at square, where s is a distance travel to the time. We can say that distance can travel with respect to time. And u is a also known as the initial velocity, t is the time, a is the acceleration of motion. And third equation of motion, we can say that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. v is equal to v is a velocity at any point of the time, and u is a initial velocity, we also known as. A is a acceleration, and s is a distance traveled to the time. Thank you.